In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Mindnode for free. If you've wanted to bring your mind maps to life with visuals, the good news is that Mindnode often offers a free trial of its Plus features. During that trial, you can add images without paying long term, which is perfect if you just need this feature for a short project or to test things out before subscribing. Here's how it works once you've started a free trial or you're subscribed to Mindnode Plus. Begin by selecting the node you want to enhance. It's important to click or tap directly on that specific node so the image attaches exactly where you expect it to go. With the node selected, look for the image or photo icon in the toolbar. On Mac, you'll click it. On iPad or iPhone, you'll tap it. When the image picker opens, choose where your picture is coming from. If the image is in your photo library, pick Photos. If it's saved somewhere in your storage, choose Files. And if you're on iPad or iPhone and want to capture something on the spot, use the camera option to take a picture right into your mind map. As soon as you select the image, Mindnode attaches it to that node automatically, so there's no extra placing or linking required. If you're on a Mac, you also have the convenience of drag and drop. Just grab an image from your desktop or a Finder window and drop it onto the node. Mindnode will handle the attachment for you. After the image is in place, you can resize it to keep your map tidy and readable. Drag the handles to make the picture larger or smaller and adjust its position so it doesn't crowd nearby branches. On supported devices, Mindnode also lets you remove the image background. This is especially useful for logos, icons, or product photos where you want a clean, sticker-like look without a solid rectangle behind it. With a transparent background, your map stays visually clean and easier to scan. A few quick tips to get better results. Use clear, high-resolution images so text and details remain crisp when you resize. Keep file sizes reasonable to maintain smooth performance on large maps. And try to be consistent with image style. Matching colors or using similar icon types helps your map feel cohesive. That's all you need to add images in Mindnode using the Plus feature during the free trial. Give it a try, experiment with placement and background removal, and see how visuals can make your ideas clearer and more memorable.